Welcome to my channel, Juggling Motherhood. Today I will be doing a cleaning video and I will be cleaning my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ashley. I do motherhood videos, organizing videos, cleaning videos as this one is right here, and other videos to come. Don't be scared to hit that subscribe button right up top and follow me on Instagram. So the day before filming this video, we had a barbecue, so that's why there's a lot of food on the dining room table and there's a lot of condiments just sitting around. So the next day I just woke up and said, you know what, let me just clean this up and start filming too. So what I like to do when I'm cleaning is I like to start off by just opening the doors, opening the windows, and get some natural light into the house. So I'm going to start off in the living room and then make my way into the dining room and finally end the video working in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this video and can subscribe to my channel because more videos are coming soon. Okay, now I'm about to put on some music and let's get this cleaning going. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at juggling_motherhood_. Hey guys, I just wanted to come in and say that I want to apologize for walking in and out of the frame. I noticed I was walking in and out of the frame a lot when I was doing my editing. I was throwing stuff outside in the garbage can and also throwing away stuff in my kitchen. I did make a pile for my daughter's laundry, and I made a pile outside to donate. So I made a pile outside to donate because that was the closest to my car, and I know if I put it outside I won't forget it and I will have to take it to the donation store. So yeah, thanks for watching again. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button and continue to watch. Thank you. moving the couch and cleaning behind the couch, and I must say it was bad, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. And I just swept and used my Swiffer to clean it, because it wasn't so bad. It was just a lot of dust back there and debris. I also ended up picking the rug up because it looks so much better. You'll see towards the end of the video, my living room looks so much better without it, honestly. And my daughter can move around much easier without the rug being in the living room. You might hear my daughter in the background of me editing, but that's part of juggling motherhood and YouTube. But please let me know in the comments what you think about my cleaning video, and let me know what you think if my living room looks better with the rug or without the rug. Don't forget to subscribe. So I did get these jackets, and I did put them away upstairs in my room because those are my jackets, sad to say. Um when I went upstairs, my daughter woke up because it was early in the morning when I was filming this, and I did take a break from cleaning, and I got her dressed and fed her, and there she goes. So then I went back to cleaning. So let's get into the video. anyway, guys, the video is coming to an end. I hope you guys like the results. If you made it this far, leave a comment below, and I promise you I will reply back. I just want to say thank you for watching this far. Okay, please leave a comment below to let me know what you think about my video, or if you just want to chat. I would love to talk to you guys, even if I have 11 subscribers. It's only the beginning. It doesn't matter where you start, it's where you end. Okay, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and follow me on Instagram at juggling_motherhood_. You can also hit that subscribe button. Okay, thanks for watching.